Ever pondered the severity of the recent pfSense server's remote code execution attack, also known as RCE? Today we're diving deep into this cybersecurity event that has sent shockwaves through the digital world. Welcome to our comprehensive examination of one of the most significant cybersecurity incidents of the year. The world of cybersecurity is unceasingly evolving, and with it, the sophistication of attacks is escalating. The focus today is on the recent pfSense server's RCE attack. For those new to the terminology, pfSense is a popular open-source firewall and router software. RCE, or remote code execution, is a type of cyber attack where an attacker can control another person's computer from a remote location. This episode is not just a story about a cyber attack, but a reminder about the importance of relentless vigilance in the face of ever-evolving cyber threats. The pfSense server's RCE attack unfolded in a rather intriguing manner. The attackers exploited a vulnerability within the software, allowing them to execute arbitrary commands. The severity of this attack lies in the potential for an unauthorized user to gain control over a system and its data. What makes this incident particularly noteworthy is the popularity of pfSense. As a widely used network firewall and routing software, an attack on its servers could have far-reaching implications. Imagine the chaos if an unauthorized user gained control over a multitude of systems and data. Now, let's delve into the specifics. The vulnerability exploited in this attack was located in the system's package manager. By injecting malicious code, the attackers were able to execute arbitrary commands with root privileges. This essentially gave them the keys to the kingdom, allowing them to control the system remotely. In response to this attack, the cybersecurity community has been quick to react. A patch was promptly released to address the vulnerability, highlighting the importance of regular software updates. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the relentless nature of cyber threats and the need for continuous vigilance. But what can we learn from this event? The pfSense server's RCE attack underscores the importance of a proactive approach to cybersecurity. Regular software updates, rigorous system checks, and a keen awareness of the latest threats are all essential in today's digital landscape. In conclusion, the pfSense server's RCE attack was a significant cybersecurity event, shedding light on the relentless evolution of cyber threats. It's a wake-up call for all individuals and organizations to prioritize cybersecurity, stay updated, and remain vigilant. Because in the world of cybersecurity, the only constant is change.